Looking for a smart, hassle-free pool cleaning solution this summer? The 2025 upgraded WYBOT C1 Pool Robot Vacuum could be exactly what your backyard needs. This 4-in-1 cordless robot claims to clean your pool's floor, walls, and waterline, all controlled from an app. Let's break down the features, real-world performance, and whether it's worth your investment. 4-in-1 cleaning power. This robot handles floor, wall, and waterline cleaning, plus intelligent scrubbing. It doesn't just collect debris, it deep cleans. Cordless convenience. Fully cordless and compact, it navigates freely without tangles or limitations. Smart app with Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth. Control it all through the WYBOT app. Start/stop, check battery, switch modes, right from your phone via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. 180-minute runtime. With up to 3 hours of cleaning on a single charge, it covers up to 1,614 square feet. Great for medium to large in-ground pools. Auto wall and waterline climbing. Unlike many cheaper models, this one climbs walls and reaches the waterline for a complete clean, top to bottom. Full area coverage. No more manual scrubbing. It really does clean every surface, even the hard-to-reach waterline. Smart app is easy to use. The app gives you full control and updates, with easy Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity. Very beginner-friendly. Long runtime and self-parking. 3 hours of operation means fewer interruptions, and it automatically returns to a reachable spot when it's done. Not ideal for very large pools. If your pool is larger than 1,614 square feet, it might need multiple runs for full coverage. No live mapping in the app. While app-controlled, it lacks real-time pool mapping, so you don't get a visual of where it's cleaned. The WYBOT OS7010C is ideal for anyone with an in-ground pool who wants smart cleaning automation without the bulk or complexity. Perfect for residential pools, it's a great step up from entry-level robots. If you're ready to ditch the hose and upgrade to intelligent, cordless pool cleaning, the WYBOT OS7010C is an excellent choice for 2025. Grab yours now from the link below. Like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. Is this the pool cleaner you've been waiting for?